Crunchbase demo, funding types, session prerequisites. Browse to our earlier videos on Crunchbase, the original dataset, reduction in the variables, cleaning up the data, computing summary measures. In preparation, please have the spreadsheet open on your computer and follow along. Maximum benefit guaranteed.
In our next step, we would like to get to the variety of funding rounds. How we're going to do this is to create a pie chart based on the frequencies of the funding rounds that we have seen in this data set. Watch me do that. For that, I'm going to get back to my data set once again, but this time my focus is on the funding round column. What I'm going to do is to place a filter on funding round. Watch carefully. When I place this filter, by just opening it up, I have a scroll down which tells me all different kinds of funding. But there's still one crucial bit of information left, which is how many of the rounds are in which of those mechanisms out there, which of those types of funding. For that, we will be constructing something like our frequency count. How we're going to do this is by using what is an advanced filter. So by clicking on the funnel button, on the right, you see what is the advanced filter, and in the advanced filter, I would like to select everything within whatever corresponds to the funding round, which is D:D. I'm going to be copying all of this information to another location, and I would only like to copy the unique records. And what location do I have to copy that to? Let me just bring it over to a new column over here. When I do this, I get a magical listing of all funding round types, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is to scroll my spreadsheet to the right, increase the column width over here, and then find my frequencies. How I'm going to get the frequency is very simple. I know that the funding round information is in column D. So I'll keep that in mind, come over to frequency, and then I use a COUNTIF function again. My range this time is column D, and I'd like to see if it is undisclosed. For example, 1058 funding rounds have undisclosed investors. We talked about this earlier. We now have a number against it. Now I'm going to just drag it all the way down, and all of those numbers get magically filled up. Let's total once again to see if we've covered all funding round types. And what do we see over here? The sum of all the frequencies turns out to be 63,126. Have we heard that before?